Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I wanted to show you how you can easily duplicate a configuration on your STEELSERIES Prime mouse. So first, go to SteelSeries GG app and select Engine. In here click Gear and now select Prime. In here on the left side we have configurations, and if we want to duplicate one of them, simply right click it and select duplicate, but here enter other name than it was and now click save. And as you guys can see, our configuration is now duplicated. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.